All right, going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol HWAL, currently traded at 0082. I've actually liked the way that this one was looking. When I was zooming in there, I kind of had that feeling when I looked at it. I was like, hey, you know what? This one isn't too bad. I actually like the way that it's been looking here. Now that I pulled that level down. Okay, so your resistance level is going to be up there at the 1 penny. Believe it or not, 1 penny is always the resistance, it seems, because you guys, I don't know if it's a mental thing or what, but it always seems to be around that same point throughout, penny stocks. Penny stocks, 0001s, you got like every one, and then double zeros, it's usually every five, and it just works its way up from there. So then when you get into pennies, it's actually every penny. And it usually starts off with half, so every quarter, whatnot. So right now it's 0082. No gaps on the fly, which are good, which is a good sign actually. I mean, everything's been pretty steady here. Right now the current volume is 2.15 million off of the 13 and off the 9. So the volume is starting to pick up, especially if it goes into where today's at. You guys, as long as you avoid the gaps, I think that this one might keep moving right now. Your resistance level off of this is going to be roughly around the 0.1 mark. It's been moving for 4 days right now. The RSI is currently at 67. I mean, if you guys get enough volume to push this thing, I think it could really start moving. But I actually do like it, so I keep an eye on this one for sure. Might go up for another day or so and pull back, but I would definitely keep an eye on this one.
All right, so let's see. It's right now. It's pink limited information, but their business description. It's Hollywall Entertainment Incorporated. Was incorporated in Nevada on May 12th, 2009. The company is a multifaceted media and entertainment company engaged in maximizing its ownership, as well as further content acquisition of music, film, television, home video, and computer game software libraries. The company is developing a digital distribution and verification system designed to maximize customer delivery, quality control, and revenues for artists, writers, content developers, copyright owners, and shareholders. It owns and distributes over 17,500 master recordings performed by such legends as Ray Charles, the Jackson 5, Frank Sinatra, Tony Bennett, George Gershwin, Marvin Gaye, and Duke Ellington. The company operates its collection of family entertainment content through 4 operating divisions: Hollywall Music, Hollywall TV, Hollywall Films, and Hollywall Networks. The operating areas of high-quality products and service focuses on music, recording, publishing, special sport events, film production, and television broadcasting. The company owns all rights, titles, and interests to over 17,500 music master recordings, including publishing rights from legendary artists, which have been independently appraised in 2001. The appraised value of Hollywall Entertainment's library is currently being re-audited by Mr. John Kelly, principal of the accounting firm Entertainment Financial Services Incorporated. The company distributes music from the Hollywall Music Library, as well as other available music, film, and video libraries to consumers. Hollywall's music is packaging legacy music and video collector sets for retail, wholesale, and download sales. The Hollywall Network is also constructed to sell single song downloads, artist album downloads, and ringtones. Hollywall TV is in development as an advertising, membership-based digital network in conjunction with main entertainment representation firm National Intelligence Association Incorporated. Operates as a division of the company and provides professional security, recovery, investigative, and executive training and protection services to its clients and the public at large. These services have been designed to provide security services, protecting people and preventing adverse situations from threatening the peace of its homeland. So that was their business description. And that's pretty much that. I mean, as always, if you have an opinion on the company, you know what's going on, because I mean, they haven't had a press release in quite some time. Since I think it was like November. feel free to go over onto the message board over there. Or if you want to research the company, hit up the recent news, the filings, financials, buy rating, time and sales, and share your opinion with the tens of thousands of other like-minded investors that are using Investors Hangout Daily.
Awesome. All right, so as far as the chart goes, yes, watch. Interest is building here, 0082. Here, it could move. Resistance at 01, support is 00825838. So if you're following HWAL, or you'd like to follow any other hot stocks, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. We definitely appreciate that, and hit that like button for sure. And if there's a hot stock that you're following that you would like to share with us, so we go over, head over to investorshangout.com/live, and we'll be sure to take your hot stock and add it to the list.